This bathroom renovation is an ADA compliant renovation. So follow me and I'll show you around. For the most part, we kept the footprint of the bathroom as it's going to work well with our clients' needs and lifestyle. And this is actually perfect for a couple who is not ready to move out of the house. They want to stay here as much as they can for the time that they are able to do so. So we ended up expanding all the entryways to the bathroom, also to the washroom. We ended up expanding here. Now, for more of a cosmetic feature, there were fur downs. You know, here we knocked them out. There were fur downs where our vanities are going to go. We got rid of them as well. Here we had one of those cave walk-in showers that was very, very dark, and the shower probably was about a little over 2 feet wide. We ended up expanding. We added niches so that our clients can put shampoo and, you know, body wash bottles and whatnot. And our plan is we're going to add grab bars into the shower. Obviously, we're going to have here a glass enclosure, but we'll have grab bars here and grab bars in the washroom. Our toilet seat is going to be about 19 inches high, which is again in line with the and ADA compliant. So that's going to work really well. Now I want to talk about the tub real quickly because my client uses the tub and it's great. I want her to use it, and we decided to keep the existing footprint only because it's just more easy and friendlier to use, especially for somebody who is, you know, might have knee problems, cannot, jump easily. So, but we're going to, from a design perspective, we got rid of some of the old design elements and we're going to make this look really nice and pretty. You just have to wait for the next video.